So why don't we do a bunch of trials on a six-pack and see what the standard cooling times are.
So in hot pursuit of the fastest way to chill a six-pack, the Mythbusters will compare several methods. The fridge and freezer, of course, and some more party-friendly options. Coolers with ice, ice and water, and ice, water, and salt.
Let me see if I can tell the difference between these two.
Adding salt melts ice and lowers the water's freezing point.
Yeah, I gotta say this one is more painful.
So you get much colder water.
Wow, the difference is really clear. The ice and water is 33 degrees. The ice, water, and salt is 24 degrees.
Well, I'll be darned. Chemistry at work.
Let's see what a baseline room temperature of beer is. What do you know? It's the temperature of the room. 62 degrees. That's exactly what we've got there.
They'll time when each method reaches drinking temperature of between 37 and 40 degrees, checking the beer's temperature every 5 minutes, in much the same way a thirsty partygoer might.
38 seconds. Okay. Waiting another 4 minutes and 20 seconds.
Which gives them just enough time to try a less conventional method.
I can't see a damn thing. Hold on.
This kind of fire extinguisher is full of liquid carbon dioxide under pressure. When it's released, it expands into a gas, cooling the air around it and forming ice.
All right, so it's been about 2-3 minutes here. Let's see how much it cooled this beer down. Oh, it feels nice and frosty.
$37.
37 degrees is actually a nearly ideal beer temperature.
If you do have one and you're willing to spend maybe, you know, $30 on having your beer cooled now, then I guess you could do that. It's fairly effective.
I'm sorry, what was that?
So 3 minutes to drinking temperature, fire extinguisher assistant. How are the other tests doing after 5 minutes?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Okay. Popping out a beer.
Wow.
What?
Salt water, 35.9 degrees.
Wow! Salt water's done.
Yeah.
30, wait.
The regular ice water,
degrees?
44 degrees.
Okay.
And regular ice, 57 degrees.
4. How much? Cooler with ice, 57?
Yeah.
The freezer and fridge are at 55 and 60 degrees. So, partygoers, if you've only got 5 minutes, salt water and ice is the answer.
So the ice and water and salt is done. We're done with that. We've reached the target temperature and a little bit more.
Science plus beer equals good.
As for the rest, the cooler with ice and water was next best at 15 minutes. Then the freezer at 25. Just ice took half an hour. And if the fridge is your only hope, maybe invite the gang back tomorrow. Well, we got some not so impressive and some impressive times to cool down a six-pack. But the CO2 fire extinguisher beat everything hands down at 3 minutes.